If you've seen those hydraulic press videos crushing random objects, they're pulling millions of views. But what if you could make them in minutes with just one tool? No filming, no editing skills, no complicated tools. Let's make it today.
First, go to Fotor and select the AI image generator. Upload the image you want to put through a hydraulic press. In this case, I chose a motorcycle. Next, enter your prompt. Select the Nano Banana 2 model. Choose your desired image ratios, resolution, and number of images. Then click Generate. Then you will get an image like this. Next, switch to the Image to Video section and select Kling 3.0 to animate these images. Then upload the image we just generated. Enter your video prompt and enable the audio feature. Subsequently, set the video duration to 8 seconds and the resolution to 1080p to ensure high-quality visuals.
Once the video processing is complete, you will be presented with a video as cool as the one you see right here. Alright, that wraps up today's video. All the links and tools are listed in the description box below. If you'd like the prompts used in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below saying prompt. See you next time.